Hey guys, so I finally decided to do the haul from Sephora. I do have to divide it in a couple of categories because it's a lot to fit it in one reel. I'm gonna do today value sets, like 6 different ones. The first one I have is the only hair product I got, air dry cream that is really good. So it comes one of that, instant recovery serum, and then pre-wash scalp oil, which is a full size. $32, value at $48. The other one is a skin care product, and this is from Glow Recipe. This is the toner, watermelon toner, and the dewdrops, and they're both full size. It's $49 and it retails $68. I also got the Farmacy Honey Heaven, and then you get the honey moisturizer, the mask, and the night serum. This was $60, value at $93. So the next one is from Farmacy. This one is $30, value at $43. And then you get the 4 fluid ounces of the Deep Sweep. Also, you get the Daily Greens Gel Moisturizer, a little sample of that. So this is $30 itself, and pretty much they're giving you a free sample of that gel moisturizer. Okay, the last 2 are gonna be makeup. So the first one is the famous Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Beautifying Lip Kit. This one retails at $49 and they value it at $66. All right, and the last one is from Givenchy. Is a set of 4 lipsticks, and then you get the La Rouge Sheer Velvet Miniature, 2 of those, and then you get La Rouge Interdit Intense Silk Miniature. I hope you enjoy this mini haul. I will be doing one for tomorrow. I still have a skincare one and a beauty product, so we'll see which one comes tomorrow, so stay tuned.